And we're recording right now.
Problem again?
It's right here.
Oh, yeah, I see that now.
All right.
All right.
So, nope, you're gonna write with this right here.
Where's Rachel?
Hey. Stop now. Okay? Understand?
Alright,
Go ahead.
we're gonna start off with
Minus
3x
2. Oh yeah, I'm not talking, am I?
minus 2.
Are you just rewriting the problem?
Yeah, no, not right now.
Hold on, can I grab my notes real quick?
Yep.
Alright, so he's plugging it in.
Right
Good.
there. I'm not good at this.
He's gonna distribute.
Mm-hmm. It's actually a -4 there.
I knew that.
Help him out, Preston.
Alright, and then you're gonna wanna get rid of the x's.
So, yeah. So what do you do to do that, Preston?
I don't know, you're the writer.
I have it written down right here. Hold on 1 second.
So what's 3x minus 4x?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
negative 1x. Or negative 7, right?
No, you don't need to add the two sides, Trevor.
Oh.
You need to take, they're on the same side, so you do 3x minus 4x, which is -1x.
Well, at least I got the right answer, so, yeah.
You have that right here.
Oh.
So -1x. Hey, stop right now.
Don't laugh at me. That makes me feel uncomfortable.
It's okay, Trevor.
Hey, do not make any more comments. -1x plus, what was it, a -4?
Yeah, -1.
Yep, equals -17.
-17.
All right, keep going, guys.
Subtract the 4. I think, yeah.
Subtract 4,
Add 4.
or add 4.
Yep, to get rid of the -4, you
Yep.
gotta add 4 to both sides.
Minus 4.
Yeah, which is the same thing as -4.
Add 4 there, and it'll be -1x plus -13.
Equals
Or
13.
equals 13.
Yep,
And then that would be the same as x
divide,
equals 13.
then you're going to divide by -1.
yep.
Oh, whoops.
So then x equals,
X equals 13.
beautiful. All right, now what do you guys do with that 13?
You you just leave it there for now. Oh, you're going to graph it later. Oh, wait, no.
Oh, whoops, I
You,
wrote
you
down the
plug it
answer
in.
again.
It's all right,
So
we need
Yep.
to plug it in to find the second answer.
plug it in
Yeah,
there.
I
So
knew
you're
that. I
you're
knew
gonna
that.
plug
I
it
just
in
wrote down the answer again.
to
It's okay.
y equals 2x plus 2. You're going to plug in x, so 13. So y equals 2 times 13 plus
Hold on,
2.
I'm looking right there. 2 times
13
13
plus 2.
plus 2.
Equals y.
Multiply the equals y, yeah.
Mhm.
Add that on there too, that's important. 2 times 13 is
26.
26
Good.
plus 2 equals y. And add the 2 to that, 28 equals y.
And then you graph it to 13, 28.
Right, which
Do
is
I
right
have
at
to
the top.
graph
Nice
that
job,
here?
guys.
Do that right
I help. I help.
Hey, there's dinosaurs on one side, you can have your tree tattoo later if you want.
Okay,
Okay, let's do that at the end, okay? All right, next up, everybody, we are gonna write down, we're doing 3 more examples. One of them that'll take a little while, and 2 of them that'll be very fast. All right, everybody write down 5x minus 3y equals -25. And then x plus 4y equals 18. Can somebody tell me what is different about this problem compared to the last ones we did? Mason.
Normally you plug in an X, like
to where like the 4y is, every time that's always been x. Now you,
This has been an x right here? Do you mean like it looks like x equals?
yeah.
Okay, but this time it doesn't look like that? Yeah?
We always started with the y because I'm supposed to be.
Y equals or x equals, right? I think, wasn't there one that we had x equals, or was it y equals both times?
One time.
Y equals? Okay, so now if you go back to the steps, do you remember yesterday we wrote in your notes like specific steps on how to do this stuff? So I want you to look back at that. Step 1 said make it look like x equals or y equals first, right? And we've always just skipped that step because it's been that way to begin with. But this time it's not. So we have to solve for an x or a y first. So here's my question. Mathematicians are lazy, which means we pick the easiest thing to do. So what do you think would be easiest to solve for? This x, this y, this x, or this y?
The bottom one.
The bottom x or y?
X.
Why? No, my question is W-H-Y. Why do you say that?
Oh, because, well, there's no negatives or subtractions, and it's just, there's like, yeah.
It's just like, yeah?
Well, you can just look at it and tell.
You can just tell. You can just get a feeling from it. I mean, he's not wrong, but can somebody put it into words, please? Right, there's nothing in front of it, right? It's going to be faster to get it by itself. How do I get it by itself? No, I want to get the x by itself. So I'm going to subtract the 4y and get rid of that. So now I've got x equals 18 minus 4y. Do you see how now I've got it look like x equals? And if I had tried to get x equal on this one, I would have had to add 3y and then divide by 5. If I tried to get this y by itself, I'd have to subtract 5x and divide by -3. And as you can see, some of those would have created nasty fractions that we don't want to deal with. But this one's not so bad. So I'm going to take this junk and I'm going to put it in for this x. I'm going to help you write it right now. 5 times parentheses what? 18 minus 4y, parentheses, minus 3y equals -25. All right, now here's how today is going to work, just for this problem. I'm not going to give another prize for this. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to do this problem up here, but you're not doing it with me. You're going to do it with your team. And then if you guys get stuck or if you want to check and see if you're doing it right, you look up. I'm just going to be silent up here doing it, okay? So you can check with me as you go, but I want you to talk to your teammate right now. Emma, are you cool with walking around? Emma's going to walk around and give you some help as well. Yes. Please use calculators. Go ahead.
That's fair.
You're on thin ice, pal.
You're always on.
You're on. You're under the ice.
Your guardians are always on.
The Batman.
By the way, the right answer to this problem, hey, write it down on top, is -25.
That's not bad.
Negative 4 minus minus
See right here.
equals
Negative 21 minus
9.
3.
So what we doing next?
No.
Divide by negative 23. Oh, snap. So we have negative 115 divided by
Why you just thought-
equals 5.
Justin, you're leaving him behind. Stay with him, please. Remember,